Alright, well, things are kind of working out as planned. But I think I need to toss up those onions. Yeah, that looks good. Alright. Got a lot of juice going on in here. But I think we need some more time in the oven. And then dinner will be ready. Alright, YouTube fans. As a quick afterthought, I thought I'd show you what I prepared real quick tonight. So down underneath all them diced tomatoes is some ground beef. I took a pound out and made 2 patties. I threw a can of diced tomatoes on top. I put some onions around. The theory is that the juices and stuff from the cooking beef is going to help saute up those onions. I added some alpine spice on top of the Montana beef. And by the way, alpine spice is made in Montana. And I'm doing all this in my handy dandy cast iron skillet. Got the oven cooking. Heating up, and I'll show you what we get. Alright, well, 20 minutes later, and it's still cooking. You know, I didn't thaw the ground beef all the way, so it's still kind of raw there in the center. But, dummy me, didn't put garlic on this. We're going to spread around the garlic. And throw it back in the oven. Alright, here we go. Yummy in your tummy. Quick, easy dinner. Just use what I had around in the house. Oh, that's telling me it's done. Okay, so now I'm going to hook up to my handy dandy setup here, and we're going to give this a try. Alright, here we go. It's Hager Tim. Dig it? Yeah. Alright, let's give this a shot. Ooh, look at that. All right. Hey, come here, dogs. Right here. There you go. It's not that hot. Don't worry about it. All right, here we go. In hindsight, I should have sauteed the onions. They're a little rough. But you know what? The flavor's there. Tastes good. And now I'm going to... oh, mashed potatoes would go awesome with this. But I'm being lazy tonight, so I think I'll just do some garlic bread. Alright. Another night of filling my tummy. Okay. We'll see you next time. Alright, it's okay, doggies. Everything's okay. This is what happens when you don't pay attention when you put garlic bread in the oven.